The white model who took melanin injections to become black has spoken out about the BLM movement and how she hasn't yet experienced racism. I'm John, and this is Facts Factory. This is Martina Big. She is a 32-year-old German model who identifies as a black woman. Yep, you heard that correct. Martina was born as a white woman who had blonde hair and pale skin, but when she reached adulthood, she decided this wasn't the life she wanted due to living as the wrong race. She started taking melanin injections a few years ago. But what exactly is melanin? Melanin is the pigment that gives our skin, hair, and eye their color, and having darker skin means that more melanin is present in the body. So when Martina started injecting herself with melanin, her skin started to get noticeably darker. She now identifies as an African woman. She believes she has always, deep down, been African, and she even embarked on a trip to Kenya to be baptized with her people. You really can't make these things up. Many believe that the model is delusional. Last year, she told The Sun Online, "I not only look like an African woman, but I also feel that I'm now an African woman. I spent time in Kenya last year and I felt so at home. Now I have a lot of invitations from all over Africa." Martina even spoke about having children with her husband, who also takes melanin injections, and how they will be born black. Doctors said they will be black. "We have also discussed breastfeeding, and if it is safe for me to have a baby," she said in an interview on This Morning, a British breakfast show. She later clarified, "Doctors say that I am physically now a black woman, and my future children will be black. And I believe the doctors." Of course, there are many people who are fully against what Martina is doing, and the model has been accused numerous times of cultural appropriation and blackface. Many people stand behind the fact that you simply cannot change your race like you can with gender, and the ways in which she has modified her body in order to become a black woman are seen as racist and disrespectful. But regardless of what people think of her, Martina continues to proudly talk about her experiences as a newfound black woman, and she has recently spoken of the ongoing Black Lives Matter protests.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren and I'm Maureen. So you guys have watched this video that we've played you, and the biggest question we are asking today is, why are white people in sudden need of our melanin? Why are they going after melanin injections?
To my people who was naturally born with melanin in y'all skin, y'all are going to want to hear this shit. They are now getting melanin injections.
And TikTok this for entertainment purposes only.
We have been darker.
I was thinking when you sat down, you're looking very pale. This is all well and good. I mean, you have the, as you say, you've got the messy tanning products, and then you try the sunbeds.
Yeah.
And then there's the injections.
Look at her.
So this was your brother, wasn't it?
Yeah, my brother.
So explain how this happened.
He just came in one day and he was a completely different colour, and we were like, what actually happened? And he was like, it was tannin injections, and then obviously Ben had to try them.
I don't have that much time on my hands to go outside and enjoy the beautiful weather lately, and I want to be tan by summer, so this is the safest and fastest way to achieve that. So this is my Melanotan vial. It will come in the mail and it looks like this. It does have to be refrigerated. We also will provide you with alcohol prep swabs and insulin needle. So you'll take the alcohol swab, wipe off the top, just so it's sterile. Uncap the top, you have a fine needle.
Did y'all see that woman's face? That is a white woman. She is a white woman. Her skin, she is darker than me from injecting herself with melanin. Do y'all understand? Like, do you understand? And it's crazy because people say, so many black people go missing all the time and nobody knows. We don't know what's going on. Y'all, if you don't know, go do your research. Go hit that search bar. Go look on Google. Go find it out. But melanin is more valuable than gold. It is. It is. Go look it up. And these people are injecting themselves. Where are they getting it from? Where are you getting it from?
Why are they going after melanin injections? So let's watch this video and then we come back and talk about it.
I don't think the struggles of the white community are talked about enough. Oh, I look like Mr. Krabs.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Weissman.
I'm answering a question about why white people get more sunburns and more skin cancers. And what it comes down to is melanin, the pigment in your skin. So pigment is designed to absorb UV light. The full name of UV light is UV radiation. When ultraviolet light or even visible light hits your skin, it damages the DNA in your skin cells. UVB is the short wavelength. UVA is the long wavelength. UVA can go through window glass, so even if you're sitting by a window, you're getting exposed to UVA and you're increasing your risk of wrinkles and skin cancer. If you have more melanin in your skin, it's absorbing that energy and preventing it from damaging the DNA in your skin cells. If you get a lot of sun exposure, your body goes, oh my gosh, we have to make some melanin. That's why people who can tan will get a tan with sun exposure. Their body's trying to protect the DNA in the skin cells.
Be aware that the image we're about to show is quite graphic. It's a picture of 27-year-old Tawny Willoughby that's going viral and reveals the personal struggles she's faced with skin cancer and the aftermath of being diagnosed multiple times. This morning, a warning to lovers of a tanning glow. 27-year-old Tawny Willoughby posting a shocking photo on Facebook showing her bare face after a cancer treatment, writing, "If anyone needs a little motivation to not lay in the tanning bed and sun, here you go. You only get one skin and you should take care of it." Her photo going viral, shared over 60,000 times.
I don't think that a lot of people realize what skin cancer even means, and just to see that image puts it into perspective.
Willoughby says she grew up tanning, even owning her own tanning bed, sometimes using it up to 5 times a week for 5 years.
I did know that tanning beds weren't safe. I was 16, around that age, and I just didn't care. I felt invincible.
The proud mom was first diagnosed with skin cancer at 21, but after quitting cold turkey, returned to tanning before her wedding.
I got a little bit of a tan before my wedding, and at my next checkup a year after that, I had more skin cancer.
Willoughby, fighting skin cancer 6 times, now she's cancer-free. But precancerous spots continue to appear on her body.
I have a 2-year-old that I really would like to be around for, and to miss time with him because of the tanning bed is just not worth it.
You don't want to be the next statistic. Try to stay out of the sun, just do everything to prevent skin cancer while you're young.
Experts say with 3.5 million cases of skin cancer a year, there are better ways to obtain that bronze glow.
You can use a sunless tanner at home, you can get a spray tan, or you can use bronzer.
So guys, from the images we've shown you, it clearly shows that white people cannot go outside in the sun for more than, please correct us if you're wrong, for more than 2 to 3 hours, because when they out there for that long, they have higher chances of getting skin cancer, and you can see how their skins behave and it starts to peel off. While black people, you can literally sit in the sun for a whole day and things like this won't happen to us. Why? This is because for us black people, because we have melanins in our skin, we can be able to walk under the sun. It protects us from the UV lights of the sun. So for us black people, having melanin literally means that we absorb information faster than white people. Like there's some advantages we enjoy to having melanin skins. For a long time, we have been made to feel, even here in Africa, you know, you grow up with that colonial mindset that, you know, having a dark skin or having more melanin is bad, you know, because of the colonial mindset. So you wish to have white skin, you understand? So only now, thank God for the age of social media, can we be able to see the effects of having white skin, the things that they're limited to doing because they have white skin. You have to literally step out with sunscreen so that you can be able to enjoy the beautiful day that God has given to us. Cause right now is when I myself I've started to really appreciate what it means to have melanin. Why? Because melanin gives me the color of my eyes. It helps me see spectrums of color better than white people do. Melanin gives me the color of my hair. Melanin gives me the color of my skin, which we weren't taught to appreciate. Just now we are beginning to appreciate. Why? Because our melanin gives us the ability to absorb the rays of the sun and turn it into a good energy, you know. Because here in Kenya, most of me and my twin, when we usually feel bad, we usually tell ourselves, let's go for a short walk, and when we come back into the house, we'll surely be in a better better mood. Why? Melanin converts all this energy into good energy, you know, and that's why whenever you're around black people, you'll always hear people say black people have the best energy ever, you know. Black people are the happiest people ever, you know. Yeah. So guys, right now you've seen from the first videos that white people are really trying to, you know, replicate melanin. They're even getting melanin injections. Yes, and right now they're not even satisfied with tanning themselves, or you know. So right now the best and quickest and easiest way for them to get melanin is through melanin injections. The question we're asking is, where is the origin of these melanin injections they have? There have been speculations. Right now, we'll just say allegedly, because we don't know the whole truth of the matter. Maybe you can tell us in the comment section if you do. So it is being alleged that these white people, in order to get these melanin injections, the scientists are actually experimenting on black people, some people who are gone missing and never to be known where they went. So these doctors are experimenting and they are extracting melanin from actual black people. Yeah, so I don't know how true this is. You guys, maybe you can let us know in the comment section. Another thing we want to put across, another point we want to put across is that right now melanin retails for melanin is actually more valuable than gold. Melanin, 60 grams of gold, you can't compare it to melanin, because gold will retail for way less, and melanin goes for, I saw somewhere that they're selling it for $480. We are not sure. We'll attach the figures on the screen. And for melanin to actually be a commodity that is being hawked out there, some people know how to get it other than the natural resources, which are, you can get them in animals and whichever place. Also the human melanin, some people know where they're getting it, and if these injections are becoming very rampant and famous amongst white people, you just have to ask yourself, where is this melanin coming from? So with that question in mind, please leave us a comment on what you think about this episode, and we'll surely see you in our next episode.